If you think that major tech companies like Meta, Amazon, and Oracle, they are laying off thousands of workers, and the reason is that because AI made them very, very super productive, you really need to think again. The brutal reality now is that these corporate giants are firing humans simply to service the very, very high cost of AI hardware and servers. The CEO of Zoho, Mr. Sridhar, I was listening to him recently, and he recently exposed this critical shift. He noted and he commented that even standard ordinary servers, nothing to do with running AI, they have become 3 to 4 times more expensive than they were just 6 months ago. And why? Because the massive rush for AI has sucked up the global supply of memory and silicon, forcing the infrastructure costs through the roof. And now these publicly traded companies are trapped in an uncomfortable position because they are facing extreme cost pressures. They have two options in their hands. One is they can either reduce the product prices or they can slash the internal expenses. And they choose the variable which is in their hands, which is the payroll. So now they have executed massive layoffs to fund their AI investments. And it is definitely not because some productivity miracle has occurred. The only reason is that their computing bills have skyrocketed.